Here we have another quick unboxing video. This is for the rear lights for the Golf Mark 4 hatchback. These are the crystal red and smoke version we keep in our range. So let's get these open and have a quick look. These are made by Depot, so always the highest of build quality. These lights are supplied with bulbs already fitted, so you can literally just plug them straight in to your vehicle. There's also a twin pack of reflectors should you need them for your MOT.